Hi! Today I'll tell you how to prepare cornflakes breakfast. It's a light breakfast. If you want to reduce your weight, this is the best. This is cornflakes original. We have another flavor, cornflakes real strawberry. You have chocolate flavor also. Among these, I prefer this real strawberry flavor. I don't like this original flavor, but it's good for health. Okay, anyway, I need nutty trial mix for this and then milk for this. Milk. So, let's see how to prepare. First, you have to take strawberry. So, I'm adding strawberry cornflakes. Add how much you want. See, this is strawberry cornflakes. After adding the strawberry, you can add different dry fruits, different seeds. Okay, it's your wish. And instead of adding all the dry fruits by taking one by one, I have taken this nutty trial mix. It's good. Do you know why? Because they have added cranberry, watermelon seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, goji berry seeds, raisins, black raisins, hazelnut, almond, pecan nuts, blueberry, pistachio, muskmelon seeds, chia seeds, watercress seeds. So they have added these many seeds. I think it's difficult to purchase all these seeds separately. So I'll take this and I'll add this. This makes this breakfast yummy and it fills the tummy. Yes. Can you see this now? Now you add milk. Wow, yummy breakfast it is. Yes. Now you can have this breakfast. This breakfast is ready. So now mix it. Have it. Now it's time to prepare second yummy breakfast. Oat smoothie with snackable nutty trial mix. First, take 2 to 3 spoons of oats, fry it a bit or soak it in water for 5 to 10 minutes and then add it to a mixer grinder. To that, take 5 to 6 almonds and add it. If you want, you can add pista also. 4 to 5 pistas you can add. Add mango and add banana. You can skip one of the fruits. Means you can add only one fruit or you can add 2 fruits. For the sweetness, you can add lion date syrup, 2 to 3 spoons. Then grind them all. Pour it into a glass. Then add nutty trial mix on the top of it. Now relish this breakfast.